Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we are going to understand how to generate waterfall chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, the variables are divided into two sections. The first part is for the dimension. Basically, dimensions are those variables which are categorical in nature. And this is for measure. Measures are continuous variable. Now, I'll pick up one variable that is order date from here and drop it into the columns. Just wait. This time, we will not drag and drop it with the help of left click. We will drag and drop it with the help of right click. So it will generate the different option. A window will appear. So here, I want to select which subdimension I want to select. So I will activate the month order date from here, click OK. The next thing which I have to do is I have to pick up the profit from here and drop it into the rows. Click here and in quick table calculations, activate the running total. So you can see here that the graph has been developed on the basis of running total. Now go here and activate the Gantt bar chart. Now I want to create one field. The name is waterfall. I'll activate from here, create calculated field and give the name waterfall, which is the negative profit. So I'll pick up the profit from here, click OK. It's giving an error because the waterfall is already there. I will rename it and I'll give it another name, waterfall 1. And the error has gone. Click OK. The next thing which I have to do is I have to pick up the waterfront fall from here and waterfall 1. They both are basically same thing. So I'll remove one of them. They are same thing. See, I'll click on edit and you can see they are same thing. Okay. Now I'll pick up the waterfall from here and drop it into the size. And you can see the waterfall is ready. Pick up the profit from here and drop it into the color. Now I want to create two charts of waterfall. So press Ctrl Shift, drag it and drop it here. Two charts will be ready. Now activate in marks. You will be having all, sum profit delta, sum profit 2 delta. Activate the lower one. Activate the lower one and drag it and drop it. We will want to remove uh, the size, so drag it and drop it. We want to remove the color also, so drag it and drop it. Now you go here and activate the dual axis from here. So this bars will superimpose the Gantt chart. Now activate the size from here and you can increase the size. Go into the color, activate the black color and you can see that the Gantt bar chart is ready. So you can see here that the blue line, the dark blue bar represents what is a profit and this is what is a loss in the particular year where the losses were there. So in January, the losses were -3281. In February, the profits were 2814. The biggest rise in the profit was in the month of October 2020. Now you have to see another thing is that both this axis, we have to synchronize both this axis. So I'll right click here, activate this and synchronize the axis. Now instead of month order date, I can also use subcategories. And it can give me the waterfall chart like this also. So we are making good profit in copiers, but there are losses which are happening in tables. So this is all about how to create waterfall chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.